Hey everyone, my name is Eliina and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. In this video, I want to go over watermarks and how to add a watermark to a new gallery photo or video upload. To get started, we want to make sure a watermark is already added to our account. To do this, let's go to our name in the top right corner, click it, and then select Account Settings from the drop-down. On the next page here, underneath the Account tab, we will see watermarks. Let's click this. On this next page here, under Account, we can look and see watermarks. Let's click that. I already have a watermark uploaded here, but we can go ahead and add another watermark. Watermarks are a great way to prevent unauthorized use of your photos in the shared galleries you present to your clients. Let's go ahead and click Add Watermark to see what kind of options we have. So here you can see we can create a text watermark, or if we already have an image watermark we've created that's stored on our desktop, we can select that and upload it. In this demonstration, I'm going to click on Text Watermark. Let's hit Next. Here you can see a number of options. You can name your watermark to help identify what type of watermark it is. For instance, you might have a couple of different ones you want to use depending on gallery and content type. Next, you can name your watermark text. For instance, I want to change this to Eliina Photos. Over here, we can choose the font style and font color. Over here, we can choose to scale the size and the opacity. We can also choose to add a drop shadow or remove it. Down here, we can choose the position of our logo. Alright, I think that looks pretty good, so I'll go ahead and save it. As you'll see, there's three little dots up here. If I click on that, I have the option to make this the default. Right now, however, this uploaded watermark is my current default. I'm going to keep that the way it is. Let's go ahead and get back to the home page. Now, I want to create a new gallery so I can apply that watermark to my photos and my videos. I can do that by either going up here and clicking Add Gallery, or I can open my organizer and then choose a folder I wish to add the gallery to. In this case, I want to add it to sports. I'm just going to hover my mouse over the sports folder and click the three icons and then choose Add Gallery. Next, let me fill out these details. For gallery name, I want to put track. I'll choose January 12th for the shoot date. Description, I'll put track race January 2023. I can also fill out tags as needed. When I'm all done and satisfied with that, I can hit Next. Choose my preset. I'm going to choose Event Sport. Now let's click Next. Alright, it has the sports folder selected for the location. Let's hit Next. Now we can see where we can add the watermark to this new gallery, photos and videos. Down here, you're going to be able to see what watermarks you have to choose from, which you've already added to your account. I'm going to select my watermark. Over here, you can choose to add this watermark to your uploaded photos, videos, or both. Please keep in mind that a watermark can only be added to videos upon uploading it for the first time. You cannot upload a watermark to a video that's already been uploaded to your account. In other words, you won't be able to go to an existing gallery where you've added videos and then add a watermark to it later if you haven't already. Please keep in mind videos do take a video credit for uploading, and deleting a video will not replenish a video credit. Alright, let's go ahead and choose the photos and videos we want to upload so that we can apply this watermark to them. Okay, I've selected those photos and videos and clicked open, and we can track the process down in this activity monitor. And we're just waiting for that last photo and video to process. This is expected as videos do take just a few more moments to format as compared to photos, but this will be done shortly. Alright, that's completed processing, and we can see all of our photos and video uploaded here. Now let's take a look at what this looks like with the watermark applied to it. And here we could see the watermarks applied to our photos and video uploaded to this new gallery. That concludes this video for how to create a watermark and apply it to the photos and videos in your new gallery. Please reach out if you have any questions on this or anything else, and support will always be happy to help you, either by chat or by email. Take care.